Hey guys, Rini here from Simply Rini. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I provide weekly tips and tricks to help you live a more natural life. So today I wanted to talk about rose essential oil and the top ways to use it, because this is an essential oil that I think everyone should be using just because there are so many great benefits that it has to offer. So the first thing that it has to offer is it helps to reduce the appearance of skin imperfections. So it helps to kind of promote that an even skin tone and a healthy complexion. So rose essential oil is great for things like that. I have a roller bottle of rose essential oil, and I just like to take it and apply it to the areas of concern once or twice a day. So another way that rose essential oil is great to use is it's emotionally uplifting. It's just an emotionally uplifting essential oil. So I like to kind of apply it to my pulse points to help uplift throughout the day, and then you can also add it to your wrists or your neck and use as kind of a personal fragrance as well, because it is a floral essential oil, so it smells really, really good. So that's another way you can use it. The last way that it's great to use is it helps to promote a sense of relaxation. So to help unwind for bed, it's great to use for that. You could roll it on the bottoms of your feet, apply it to your pulse points for that as well. So as you can see, this essential oil has so many great ways to use it, and it's definitely one of my top essential oils that I think everyone should have. So I hope you enjoyed today. If you have any questions, leave them below. Also, make sure to grab your copy of the top 10 diffuser blend recipes that you can start using in your home today. So I've left a link in the notes below. Make sure you check it out. Some great blends that you can start using today. So I will see you next week, and I hope you have a great day.